had the exposure set 50 to 100 because it was still pretty bright out. So it's 50 to 400. So I went to AWB, the white balance. It wants to be around 8,000. I backed it off 500K. I like this little bit of a cooler tone. There's a video on YouTube about upping your photography with a TV background. Okay. So, two tiny tripods, they're both cap lock. Cap lock is this round base, which is square inside. Here you can see you slide your device in here. So this one is a cap lock device. It comes this way. This one's been converted. So this round top here, the same as this round top there, which screwed on to this Manfrotto little tripod. Now, on the bottom of this battery handle is the matching adapter. So just slide that in, and now I'm going to pull this camera out of this little case. The camera is on the battery handle, on the tripod. There's a train coming. So this one has the Sunny Life case on it and the microphone. This one's got the battery handle. Now, mic 2 is on a tripod. We are under a train bridge. You can hear this train just rolling away. It's warmer than I thought now. I was hanging this meter on a lanyard from my bike. Now I can clamp it right onto my bike. And when I can see the actual wind coming towards me, which is going to be more if I'm heading into it, right? So I can get the actual wind speed hitting my body. And then wherever I go somewhere, here's an example of a clamp being used for it. I don't need a tripod if there's any trees like with little branches like this nearby. So the Pocket 3 camera and the DJI mic are on this PGY-TEC little tripod. Now, I push the button on the cap lock base and I slide out. So this is what it was sitting on. Now, over here, the Manfrotto Pixie tripod has been converted to cap lock. And the tripod base for Kestrel has been converted to cap lock. These are all interchangeable. And this was the goal. This meter was on this handlebar clamp in a tree in another room. So Pocket 3 was sitting in this Sunny Life case with a cap lock adapter on the bottom. But I'm going to take a little break. I have the battery handle. It's converted to cap lock. So I'm going to pull this off, stick this on the camera, and just stick the camera directly onto there. So this snaps on. The battery handle is on the tripod we are charging. PGY-TEC cap lock. Handlebar mount. There's the PGY-TEC tripod. The Manfrotto Pixie converted to cap lock. The Kestrel converted to cap lock. Cap lock neck mount, PGY-TEC. The beetle clip, go right at the cap lock. So, backpack strap, neck mount. This is a pole, tripod, and grip. That's a mini tripod. And all the cameras snap right into here. I had the exposure set 50 to 100 because it was still pretty bright out. So it's 50 to 400. So I went to AWB, the white balance. It wants to be around 8,000. I backed it off 500K. I like this little bit of a cooler tone.